Top 10 Drug Rehabs in Santa Clarita. Those who struggle with substance abuse or addiction must learn about the following best drug rehab centers in Santa Clarita that help treat their condition. Number 10. Action Family Counseling, The Ranch. Founded in 1997, this privately operated facility in Santa Clarita treats both male and female patients who are attempting to overcome addiction to drugs and alcohol. They help patients with MAT using buprenorphine. Buprenorphine is an opioid, but it blocks the action of opioids of abuse. Number 9. Common Bond Rehab Center. This rehab facility is one of several drug rehab programs in Santa Clarita that are open 24 hours a day. It is an outpatient center geared toward patients who are struggling to overcome addiction to drugs and alcohol but still need to keep their commitments to work or school. Because of this, they offer day or evening hours for outpatient treatment. Number 8. Live Again Recovery Homes, Live Again Ministries. Live Again operates inpatient drug rehab and long-term drug rehab programs for male patients who are struggling with addiction to alcohol or drugs. They accept veterans and clients referred by the courts for citations other than DWI. The rehab center also promotes a 12-step philosophy and operates a halfway house. Number 7. Oaks of Hope. They help patients undergo detox through MAT. This process lasts from about 3 to 10 days. Oaks of Hope is staffed by medical professionals and professionals who are trained in addiction therapies, including a therapist, yoga therapist, charge nurse, psychiatrist, and detox technician. Number 6. Healthy Living Residential Program. Providing and maintaining adult residential alcohol or drug abuse recovery and treatment services for men and women. They offer medically managed residential detoxification services or incidental medical services, which consists of 6 essential parts: obtaining medical histories, monitoring health status to determine whether the health status warrants transfer of resident in order to receive urgent or emergency care, testing associated with detoxification from alcohol or drugs, providing alcoholism or drug abuse recovery or treatment services, overseeing resident self-administered medications, treating substance abuse disorders including detoxification. Number 5. Aspire. An alcohol and drug rehab center that centers to men, women, and adolescents in Santa Clarita. Its addiction and substance abuse treatment services include individual treatment planning, psychiatric care, multifamily group sessions, spiritual group support, relapse prevention, and aftercare. Number 4. Divinity Detox Rehab. Drug and alcohol rehab center that focuses on individualized treatment plans and programs. The facility offers 3 treatment programs: partial hospitalization, intensive outpatient, and outpatient treatment. Number 3. Tarzana Treatment Center. TTC provides a full continuum of adult and youth substance use disorders treatment services, including inpatient medical detoxification, residential detoxification, psychiatric stabilization, residential and outpatient rehabilitation, and an array of mental illness treatment services, both inpatient and outpatient. Number 2. Casa Serena. A treatment center designed to help women recover from substance abuse and co-occurring illnesses. They treat women who are struggling with addictions to alcohol, opioids, methamphetamines, prescription pills, marijuana, benzodiazepines, club drugs. Number 1. Child and Family Center. As its name implies, this rehab center in Santa Clarita accepts patients of all ages, from children to adults. They also stage brief interventions and welcome patients with dual diagnosis and members of the LGBT community. They perform comprehensive assessments of the patient's substance abuse and mental health and provide child care for patients with young children. If you are looking for drug rehab centers in Santa Clarita, we can help you find the right treatment center. The first step towards recovery usually requires medical supervision and follow-up with a period of intensive therapy at one of these centers. Be sure to contact one of our addiction treatment specialists today.
Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.